Great communication is only 7% verbal. The rest is tone of voice and nonverbal cues. So you need your digital human employee to show emotion at the right times. Previously, you connected your digital human to a Dialogflow chatbot. In this video, you'll take that same user experience to the next level by adding emotion to your digital human responses with unique behavior tags.
My name is Sophie. Welcome to the UneeQ Creator platform. How are you today? Oh no, I hope everything is all right. Would you like to hear a joke to cheer you up?
First, let's browse to your Dialogflow agent and find your welcome intent. Now scroll down to the response section. Here is where you add the behavior tags. You want your welcome message to be upbeat and set a good first impression. Let's go with some happy tags. Remember to click on Save to confirm the changes. And now the follow-up intent. You want to show compassion back towards the user. So here you'll add the empathetic behavior tag. Again, remember to save changes before moving on. Let's browse back to the UneeQ Creator platform and click on Try to load up the digital human.
My name is Sophie. Welcome to the UneeQ Creator platform. How are you today?
Hi Sophie, I'm not actually feeling that great today.
Oh no, I hope everything is all right. Would you like to hear a joke to cheer you up?
And there you have it. You've created a digital human persona, linked up with your Dialogflow chatbot, and then injected some emotional behavior, all in 3 easy steps.